Deep within a coniferous forest, a vision takes shape. Nature and architecture blur, creating a sanctuary for a family who cherishes the fresh air and togetherness. This is the story of the native house, a masterpiece by YODEZEEN Architects. Imagine a home where the boundaries between you and the forest vanish. This was the dream of a nature-loving family embarking on a new chapter. YODEZEEN stepped in to translate this dream into reality, determined to craft a space that breathes and lives like the surrounding woods. The journey took 2.5 years. The client desired a single-story haven, embracing modern minimalism. The surrounding flat terrain became the canvas for the architect's vision. This project marked a significant milestone for YODEZEEN, a testament to their ability to bring a concept to life in its purest form. Even before entering the house, nature's grandeur takes center stage. The architects chose not to build walls, but rather to create a green oasis at the heart of the home. Every element echoes this philosophy of merging with nature. The facade boasts a stunning combination of thermal ash, natural stone, glass, and metal. Warm wood tones resonate with the forest hues, while the lightly grooved stone reflects nature's raw beauty. Functionality dictated the form. The living room, with its fireplace and lounge area, takes center stage, a haven of fresh air and awe-inspiring views. The entrance hall is designed to impress from the moment you step inside. To ensure privacy from neighbors, taller zones were strategically placed in the center. Bedroom wings branch out, creating a secluded microclimate. The architects envisioned a house that organically dissolves into the forest. They opted for a 3-level pyramid structure, a monolithic frame unifying each zone. The central areas, the entrance, hall, and dining room rise high, creating a sense of grandeur. The living room, kitchen, and fireplace area occupy the second level with soaring 4.4-meter ceilings. Nestled at the bottom for maximum privacy are the master bedroom and guest rooms. This layout fosters an openness, with private areas facing the calming forest and technical zones situated towards the street. The house's crown jewel, and a feature that instantly captured the client's hearts, is the presence of green wells. Inspired by the German trend of incorporating live greenery indoors, the architects strategically placed 3 such zones. The main cube houses a coniferous composition, meticulously maintained by a complex technological system. Towering pines on the site offer additional shade, while an air circulation system ensures optimal conditions within the cube. Special insulation safeguards against winter snow accumulation. The connection to the forest extends beyond the green wells. The designers meticulously chose materials that echo the surrounding environment. Warm wood tones, light gray natural stone, and expansive glazing surfaces create a seamless connection between the interior and the verdant outdoors. The native house is more than just a structure, it's an experience. Step onto the large wooden terrace, breathe in the fresh air, and immerse yourself in the symphony of nature. This is a home where the boundaries between you and the forest dissolve, creating a haven for relaxation, connection, and a lifetime of cherished memories.